Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I teach students to do hard work with smartness by grasping at its root instead of shallow mugging up of the text. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. This chapter Sapno ke se din from Sachayan grade 10 and the writer is Gurdial Singh. Okay, so this chapter is really lengthy, so the video has been divided into two parts. So the link of the first part you will get in the description box. Okay, so let's seize the day. Now let us see who was Oma. Okay, means see, few students were there. They thought it's better to take the beating from the teacher rather than doing the homework. So this kind of group, okay, was there. Okay, and the leader of this group was known as Oma. Okay, now let's see who was Oma and how he was. Okay, उसके जैसा लड़का कोई नहीं था. उसका सिर हांडी जितना बड़ा था. Means there was no boy like him, and his head was as big as a pot, that we filled water in that pot, so that kind of pot. Okay, उसका सिर ऐसा लगता था मानो बिल्ली के बच्चे के माथे पर तरबूज रखा हो. Means like his head looks like as if a melon is placed on the forehead of a kitten. वह हाथ पांव से नहीं अपुति सिर से लड़ाई करता था. लड़ाई मीन्स फाइटिंग, अपुति मीन्स इंस्टेड, and हाथ पांव means hands and legs, that is limbs. Okay, so he used to fight not with his hand and feet but with his head. Okay, वो अपना सिर दूसरे के पेट या छाती में मारा करता था. He used to hit his head in another's means other person's stomach or chest. सहपाठियों ने उसके सिर की टक्कर का नाम रेल बम्बा रखा हुआ था. Means his classmates, his friends named his head bum Rail Bamba. Nice name, na? Next paragraph. लेखक का स्कूल बहुत छोटा था. उसमें केवल 9 कमरे थे जो अंग्रेजी के अक्षर एच के भांति बने थे. Means the writer's school was very small. It had only 9 rooms which were similar to the English letter H. Means like the school building was in H pattern. Okay. पहला कमरा हेडमास्टर श्री मदन मोहन शर्मा जी का था. वे स्कूल की प्रेयर के समय बाहर आते थे. मीन्स the first room was of that of headmaster Mr. Madan Mohan Sharma. He used to come out during the school prayer time. Okay. पीटी अध्यापक प्रीतम चंद लड़कों की कतारों का ध्यान रखते थे. वे बहुत कठोर थे और छात्रों की खाल खींचा करते थे. मीन्स like the PT teacher, okay, the physical education teacher, Pritam Chand, used to take care of the discipline of the school, means boys, queue, etc. But he was very strict, okay, and used to beat the students really hard, means very badly. And okay. परंतु हेडमास्टर उनके बिल्कुल उल्टे स्वभाव के थे. वे 5वीं और 8वीं कक्षा को अंग्रेजी पढ़ाते थे. वे कभी भी किसी छात्रा को मारते नहीं थे, केवल गुस्से में कभी कभी गाल पर हल्की चपत लगा देते थे. But the headmaster was completely opposite. He used to teach English to 5th and 8th grade, but he never beat any student. In anger, sometimes he would just slap, on the cheek of the student. Okay. छात्राओं को छोड़कर बाकी सब रोते हुए ही स्कूल जाया करते थे। कभी कभी स्कूल अच्छा भी लगता था जब पीटी टीचर कई रंगों की झंडियाँ पकड़वा कर स्काउटिंग का अभ्यास कराते थे। यदि हम ठीक से काम करते तो वे शाबाश कहकर हमारा हौसला बढ़ाते थे। मीन्स except some students, all the others used to go crying, to school because of the discipline in the school. Okay, strict discipline in the school. Sometimes the student used to like school also when PT teacher used to ask them to hold the flags of many colors and practice the scout. And if they worked properly, he used to encourage them by saying well done. And this was a great thing for the writer. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। लेखक के परिवार की आर्थिक स्थिति अच्छी नहीं थी, इसलिए हेडमास्टर शर्मा एक अमीर परिवार के लड़के की किताबें लाकर उसे दे देते थे। परिवार फैमिली, आर्थिक मीन्स फाइनेंशियल, स्थिति मीन्स सिचुएशन, अमीर परिवार मीन्स रिच फैमिली। सो द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस, द फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन ऑफ द राइटर्स फैमिली वॉज नॉट गुड. So the headmaster Sharma brought the books of a rich family boy and gave them to him. It was due अपने स्कूल के हेडमास्टर के कारण ही लेखक अपनी शुरू की पढ़ाई पूरी कर सका। लेखक अपने परिवार का पहला लड़का था जो स्कूल जाने लगा था। It was due to the headmaster of his school that the writer completed his early studies. Writer was the first boy in his family to attend school. Okay. लेखक को नई कक्षा में जाने पर कभी कोई खुशी अनुभव नहीं होती थी। उसे किताबों और कॉपियों में से अजीब सी गंध आती थी, जिससे उसका मन उदास हो जाता था। मीन्स द राइटर वॉज नेवर हैप्पी टू गो टू अ न्यू क्लास. He smelled strange from the notebook and the textbook, which made his heart sad. Means he becomes sad. Okay. इसका कारण उसे आज भी समझ में नहीं आता। इसके पीछे मनोवैज्ञानिक कारण हो सकते थे। कारण मीन्स रीजन, मनोवैज्ञानिक मीन्स साइकोलॉजिकल. सो he still does not understand the reason for this. There could be psychological reason behind this. जैसे आगे की पढ़ाई का कठिन होना या नई मास्टरों से मार का भय. Means there could be psychological reason behind this, such as difficulty of further studies or the fear of being hit by new masters. ये भय मन के अंदर गहरी जड़ों में समा चुका था, इसलिए लेखक को नई कक्षा में जाने का कोई उत्साह नहीं होता था. Means this fear, the difficulty of further studies as well as the fear of being hit by new master. This fear had rooted deep inside the mind of writer. Therefore, he had no enthusiasm or excitement to enter a new class. Okay. ये दूसरे विश्व युद्ध का समय था. नाबा रियासत के राजा को अंग्रेज़ों ने सन 1923 में गिरफ्तार कर लिया था. तमिलनाडु में कोडाईकनाल में जंग शुरू होने से पहले उनका देहांत हो गया था. उनका बेटा विलायत में पढ़ रहा था. मीन्स इट वॉज द टाइम ऑफ द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. द किंग ऑफ नाबा वॉज अरेस्टेड बाय ब्रिटिश इन 1923. He was there in Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu, but he died before the war started. His son was studying in foreign country. In those days, okay, उन दिनों अंग्रेज़ फ़ौज में भर्ती करने के लिए नौटंकी वालों को साथ लेकर गाँवों में जाया करते थे. वे वो फौज के सुखी जीवन का दृश्य प्रस्तुत करते थे ताकि नौजवान फौज में भर्ती हो जाए. मीन्स, like, the British used to go to villages with the drama people to enlist in the army. They used to present the scene, and they used to emphasize this happy life of army and soldier so that the youth get enlisted in the army. Okay. जब लेखक स्काउटिंग की वर्दी पहनकर परेड करते तब उनको भी ऐसा ही महसूस होता था. मीन्स, the writer used to have the same feeling of the soldiers when he wear the scout uniform and do the parade. Means, the proud feeling of a soldier he used to have when he wears the scout uniform. Okay. Next paragraph. This is about Master Pritam Chand, okay, the physical education teacher. लेखक ने मास्टर प्रीतम चंद को कभी मुस्कुराते हुए नहीं देखा. उनकी वेशभूषा सभी को भयभीत कर देती थी. मीन्स, the author never saw Master Pritam Chand smiling. His costumes, that is his dressing, frightened everyone. Everyone was afraid of him and hated him too. He used to punish. हाँ, वे बहुत कठिन सज़ा दिया करते थे. वो चौथी श्रेणी में फारसी पढ़ाते थे. एक दिन उन्होंने सभी बच्चों को शब्द रूप याद करने के लिए कहा. अगले दिन उन्होंने सभी बच्चों से शब्द रूप सुने, परंतु किसी भी बच्चे को पूरी तरह से शब्द रूप याद नहीं थे. मास्टर जी ने सभी बच्चों को टांगों के पीछे से बाहें निकालकर कान पकड़ने और पीठ ऊंची करने के लिए कहा. कमज़ोर बच्चे सहन नहीं कर सके. 3-4 मिनट बाद वे गिरने लगे थे. ओके, सी व्हाट इज़ द थिंग, लाइक, हाँ, this Master Pritam Chand, that is physical education teacher, used to teach Persian in 4th grade. One day he asked all the children to memorize the word form, means that word meaning. Okay. The next day, he wanted to hear from all the children. So he started hearing from one by one from all the children, but none of the children was fully remembered the words. Master G asked all the children to see. This is the punishment. Okay, this punishment is called murga in Hindi, and you can see the picture. Then you will understand how difficult this punishment is. So master asked all the children to be in this position for the punishment. But weak children could not bear. कमज़ोर बच्चे सहन नहीं कर सके. 3-4 मिनट बाद वे गिरने लगे थे. Means, these children, see, it is grade 4. So you can imagine how young the children will be. And some were so weak, they could not bear this kind of punishment. So after 3 to 4 minutes, they started falling. Okay. जब लेखक की बारी आई उसी समय हेडमास्टर शर्मा जी उधर से निकले. उन्होंने पीटी सर के बच्चों से इतना बुरा व्यवहार करते देखा तो उन्हें सहन नहीं हुआ. उन्होंने उन्हें बहुत डांटा और उनकी शिकायत डायरेक्टर को लिख कर भेज दी. ओके, सो okay, when the writer's turn came, when the teacher came to writer and started asking him, the headmaster Sharma ji came out there and he saw the PT sir treating children so badly. He could not bear this. Okay, so he scolded him a lot and sent his complaint to the director. जब तक ऊपर से आदेश नहीं आ जाते थे तब तक पीटी सर स्कूल नहीं आ सकते थे. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, लाइक, PT teacher or PT sir could not attend the school until the orders were received from above. Means all the director will decide, then only the PT teacher can come to school. Okay. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। पीटी मास्टर अपने घर पर आराम करते रहते थे। उन्हें अपनी नौकरी का बिल्कुल भी चिंता नहीं थी। Means like now after the suspended from the school, he used to rest at his house. Okay, he was not worried about his job. वे अपने पिंजरे में रखे दो तोते को दिन में कई बार भीगे बादाम खिलाते थे और उनसे मीठी मीठी बातें करते रहते थे. Like he used to rest at his house, and now what he used to do then? He had two parrots kept in the cages. So he used to feed them soaked almond several times a day. बच्चों को ये एक चमत्कार लगता था कि जो मास्टर स्कूल में बच्चों को बुरी तरह मारता था वे अपने तोतों के साथ कैसे मीठी मीठी बातें कर लेता था. Okay, so it seemed a miracle to the children how the master, means the teacher, who used to beat the children so badly in the school, used to talk sweetly and polite with his parrot. Even the writer was not able to understand. Okay,